Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you guys are so very welcome indeed. Are we living and loving all of this raid? The lip, the earrings, this fabulous blouse is by Ivy Ekong, my beautiful girlfriend. She's so fabulous. And I have a discount code for you guys. I love this. She just surprised me. She was like, Fumi, I'm sending you something. And when this came, it's a pussy bowl blouse, as you can see. And when this came, I said, no, darling, you did not. You did not. Yes, she did. And you can tie it. Let me even tie it this way and just make it so fabulous. Just look. I live, my darlings. I absolutely live. So I'll put the link below for you guys so that you can really enjoy this. Ivy, if you're watching, thank you, my darling. I absolutely love this blouse. I love the red. I love this blue red. It's just so very me. Light eyes and like a strong lip. Some of you might know, some of you might not, but I am going to have a meet and greet. Yes, here in London. And we're going to have food, we're going to have cake, we're going to have drinks, champagne. We're going to have sister to sister. You're going to go home with what? Goodie bags. It's going to be fabulous. 16th of April, darlings, when I tell you, copacetic. I'm so happy and so grateful that I finally get to meet all of you. All right, darlings, without a beat, guess what? We had what you call the Fashion Trust red carpet, blue carpet, grey carpet, as a matter of fact, over the weekend. And we have Law Roach. And Law Roach is actually wearing a coat that belonged to the late Andre Leon Talley. Well, he wore it well. And Law Roach is the architect of fashion, as far as I am concerned. Over the weekend, also just after the Vanity Fair party, Law Roach put out an announcement. I'm retiring. I love what I do, but you know, the behind the scenes, that cannot deal with. And I know for a fact, he dressed Kerry Washington, he dressed Zendaya. So I wish him well. He's so fabulous. I love him so very much. I know for a fact that he will go on to do something fabulous. Maybe even come up with his own line. You know, you never know. So, Law, we love you. And you looked fabulous in Andre Leon Talley's coat. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's bittersweet that Andre is no longer here. And that Law Roach is no longer styling. You know, end of an era. We have Sierra, and she was wearing Graceling, a little bit of sheer. And might I add, ironically, the model didn't have anything below, but she's a model, you know, and she's showing off the clothes. She looked okay to me in the sense that I loved the bandeau across the bust. I loved the jacket. I didn't care for the skirt. It made it heavy. It looked fabulous on the model, but remember the models are really just rope thin. But on her with the skirt, then why have the jacket? It was too heavy to me, my humble opinion. I love me some Sierra. I think she's one of the most beautiful women. But for whatever reason, I just didn't care for the skirt. I'd have loved cigarette pants, even a mini skirt. I would have loved that. Or you know what? You flip it. And you wear silver because you're like a silver bone, silver pants. Then I'd have been like, this is a look. This is a look. It was just too heavy. It was just too heavy for me. That's how I saw it. We had, Paula Abdul, and she looked beautiful in this very light mint green dress. And it was by Emin Alajlan. Beautiful, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And you know, she's got a beautiful figure still. She's really rocking it. You go right ahead, Mamacita, and do your thing. We had Alessandra Ambrosio, and she wore Michael Kors. Gorgeous. It reminded me very much of Donna Karan. Remember Donna Karan used to make those big, bold jewelry statements in her dresses? This is what it reminded me of. Guys, you let me know in the comment section. What is Donna Karan doing these days? Is she still designing? I don't know. But it really reminded me circa 1995 Donna Karan. That was what I saw. You know, tell me if I'm wrong. Drea Michelle also attended, and she was wearing Ali Tenny, gorgeous girl, emerald green. You know, she's got all of those gorgeous curves. Pretty girl. Nothing to be said. It looks good on her. Emerald green is a rich color, and she wore it well. I love the sandals. Yes, I do. The jewelry is gorgeous, and the face is clean. Not too much makeup. So she lets the dress speak for itself. Haha. We have the beautiful Claire Salmers, and she is wearing, my darling, Rick Owen on LINE. Yes, it's fine. It's fine. Beautiful girl. She's so sweet, gorgeous. I love it when she does her hair like that, in that kind of wave, you know. I remember this dress. Kim has worn this dress. Why do I remember this? She wore this to Paris Hilton's wedding. Or was it a top? I think she wore the top version of this. It had to be Rick Owens. I remember this cut out at the waist, you know, and then leading up to the bust. I love it. Leather. Oh, gorge. Gorge. We have Kata Graham, and she wore St. John. I love it. I just didn't like the bracelets. They were too big, and they took away from the dress, from the big earrings, from that Betty Page haircut. I know what she was trying to do, a statement piece, but she's not a mannequin. She's a living, breathing person down the carpet. The eyes are gorgeous. The brows are fabulous. The dress is fabulous. It was just too much jewelry. It didn't work. Some things work, some things don't. That's okay, you know. We have the beautiful Heidi Klum. Heidi wore Kate Burton design. It's gorgeous. It's got like a hard edge with a belt, looking wet, and she had this bag with a fish inside. Very playful, but at the same time I thought it was super fun. We have beautiful Tracee Ellis Ross, and she wore Erdem. The dress was beautiful. It's like a purple. Love the hair. I did not care for the gloves. I know it's fashion, but some things are not fabulously fashionistic. It didn't work for me, not at all. Oh, we had Demi Moore. Demi Moore was wearing a gorgeous mint dress. She was wearing Givenchy. Demi Moore was wearing Givenchy, looking gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. I love the dress. I love the big coat, and yeah, light, very light. Doesn't have to be too heavy, you know. I love this, and this chick is killing it. Every time I'm seeing her on the red carpet. Sabrina Elba, and she wore Mason Alaya. Fire! Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love everything about it. This is the way to look fresh, to look sexy, to show body, and at the same time really look beautiful, timeless and classy. And the bangles were not overwhelming. It actually played the part in the outfit. She's tall too, you know. She's absolutely gorgeous. We had June Smollett, and she wore Marc Jacobs, and it's like a red leather dress, and it's got leather gloves. I love it. I love this oxblood red. I loved the gloves. I just wish she had changed the shoe. I don't care for these kind of boots. Not at all. Not, you know what? I would have loved it if she wore red Pigalle Louis Vuitton heels. This would have been fire. This would have been fire. I didn't care for the boots. No. Storm Reed, and she wore Slim Kai. Adorable. She's so cute, and she has the eyeshadow right over the base of the nose. Why does it work? Maybe because she's young, she's cute, she's pretty, and she let the focus of the color be on the eye to match the dress. It doesn't look very out of space or anything. It looks cute. It looks cute. She's a cute girl. She's young. You can get away with stuff like that, you know. We have Kiersey Clemons, and Kiersey Clemons wore Anna Kiki. She's young. I love the hair. You know. The dress is okay. You know. It's okay. So far she's comfortable in it. You know, we don't mind. We don't mind at all. Not at all. We have Amy Song. Amy Song is an influencer. I follow her on Instagram. She just had a baby boy. I love her. She's so sweet. And she's wearing Christopher John Rogers. And I like it. I like it. It's yellow. It's giving me Vivienne Westwood vibes. And I love the heel that she wore with it. Really gorgeous. Very, very simple. Showing her face. Minimum jewelry. She looks good. I loved it. Loved it. I like yellow. Yellow is such a happy color. Such a happy color. Such a happy, happy, happy color. Then we had Christine Quinn in Nicolas Gebran. Yes. I love the dress. I like the boots. I love the hair. It's fine. It's fun. It's fashion. Why not? I'll take it. Yeah, I lived for it. It was gorgeous. It really was gorgeous. I love it. Beautiful. Very well done. Then, my darlings, we had Christine Chu, and she was wearing Iris Van Harpen. Do you know I like the dress? I like the dress. I think it was just that her boobs looked hard. You can see that she's had them done, but they look hard. It's unfortunate because she's attractive enough. I think the belt was a bit too much also. I would have just liked a skinny belt under the full panty. That would have been nice. And even, she could have even worn like a sheer red bandeau or even bra. It would have softened the very hard cup of the breasts. And last but not least, we have Olivia Wilde, and she's in Chloe. Very understated. I love the entire look. I just wish that she had worn Louboutin Pigalle pumps or So Kate pumps, just to keep it sharp. You know, it's fashion, it's fashion. And that was it, my darling. That was it. Fashion Trust. I live for it. You guys let me know down in the comments who your favorites were. Okay? All of my love. Mwah.